Sneakers are a fashion statement. The kind of sneakers you wear describes the sort of person you are. But do you know you can make a tremendous amount of money reselling sneakers? Already, several entrepreneurs are making an astronomical amount of cash. It's a great way to avoid work-from-home scams and get into a real entrepreneurial business. Sneaker flipping is one of the proven ways to make money in a short period. In comparison to some other businesses, the sneaker resale market is quite profitable. If you want to start out sneaker reselling, you have the best opportunities with our Cook Group. Our website monitors automatically calculate the profit of thousands of sneakers every single day and will post a message in our Cook Group once they find a profitable sneaker. They will save you a lot of time doing the research yourself. We have created an algorithm that shows exactly how much expected profit each pair of sneakers will make you and how many times per month it will sell. This minimizes the risk of losing your money by investing in the wrong pair of sneakers. Click the link in the video description to learn more about how you can increase your profits as a brick flipper. Have you had enough of never copying on any releases? Or you want to start your sneaker reselling business? In both cases, it'd be normal to think that a sneaker bot would solve all of your problems. However, the truth is that it probably won't. While many successful sneaker botters out there make a killing out of buying hundreds of sneakers for retail, that doesn't mean that it's easy to recreate their success. If you have no experience, it'll probably turn out to be a tough challenge in the early days. Successful sneaker botting requires knowledge and a significant amount of both money and time. When it comes to limited sneaker releases on websites, you need two things to secure your grail: luck or a bot, maybe even both. However, not everyone can afford to pay thousands of dollars for sneaker bots and also learn to use them properly. Luckily, there's another way: sneaker apps where anyone can stand a chance to cop sought-after pairs. Luck is undoubtedly an important factor, but it is also essential to gather information on a specific release. There are many retailers and brands with different drop methods, so you have to know when, where, and how the release will go down to maximize your odds. The best apps for sneaker releases: SNKRS, Nike, Confirm, Adidas. So, the first and the most difficult part of this side hustle is to build an inventory. As you start reselling sneakers, you probably won't have the experience or money to invest in a sneaker bot. So you can enter raffles. Entering raffles is a lot easier than trying to cop a sneaker on the site on drop day. It is the most passive method of copying sneakers. You just submit your entry and wait for release day. However, you are still going to face a lot of competition. Along with that, the store that is holding the raffle could be limited on inventory. So your chances of copying from a raffle is small unless you have a lot of email accounts to use so that you can submit multiple entries. Entering raffles also requires a lot of time. So if you are limited on time, then I wouldn't recommend focusing on raffles alone. This method can take you hours a day. Find local opportunities. Picking up from local foot sites is the easiest way of copying sneakers on release day. Most foot sites like Foot Locker, Foot Action, and Champs allow you to join a local raffle through their app. Not every sneaker will be available locally. Depending on the amount of inventory, they may limit the availability to certain locations. Using foot site apps don't require you to spend hours setting up a bot and patiently waiting for them to drop. Another great thing about copying through local foot site apps is that you can sell those sneakers on pre-sale or online as soon as you pick them up. This gives you an advantage because many resellers that cop online will have to wait to receive them before they can sell. For hype releases, resale prices will gradually go up on the release day after all the stores sell out. So this not only gives you the ability to sell quickly, but also you can earn a decent profit while others will make lunch money. The downside of only using this method is that foot sites rarely release highly profitable sneakers. Most of the time, they are general releases, which means lower resale price. Most profitable releases will only be available at limited locations, or not even available at foot sites at all. If you become a member of BrickRadar, making your inventory can be very easy, as you always get notified when to buy which shoe and when it is the right time to sell for maximum profits. Click the link in the video description to learn more about BrickRadar. With BrickRadar, you can actually start making money today if you're looking for a great tool that's going to help you in your journey on reselling shoes, or if you're just looking for the tools to help you get started in the reselling game. Honestly, you've come to the right place, so hopefully this is everything you needed to hear to get started with your sneaker reselling career. Go ahead and sign up today to start making profits.